When it comes to family court, I totally get wanting to stay organized and execute a good plan. It's not luck. And I know a lot of people want you to believe that it's luck. It's just random. So what separates the people who have successfully protected their kids from the people who were unsuccessful? Yeah, good lawyers, good strategy, that absolutely matters. In my profile under freebies, I have a free download called The 5 Pitfalls of Family Court. Don't make any of those 5 mistakes. Effective documentation is a game changer, and don't let anybody tell you that that's not true. I'm a fan of the FCC app, which you can get at familycourtcorner.com. I am not an affiliate. This is not a commissionable thing. I'm just telling you, this is an amazing app. And it's web-based, so go to familycourtcorner.com. Don't look for it on the app stores. Because the truth is, right, it's not just about documentation. I always get people saying, no, I documented everything and I still didn't get a successful outcome. Documentation is so important, but it's also in how you present the documentation when you're in family court. I hosted a workshop recently with this amazing divorce coach, Family Court Corner, and we taught how to actually document successfully using specific labels, using specific language that really appeals to family court and will help you present your case in the most effective way. That workshop was called From Chaos to Clarity. You can rewatch that in the link in my profile under webinars and workshops. But documentation, that's part of it. Here's the next part. Our egos, they play a much bigger role than we want to admit when we're communicating, and it can really screw us up. We can sometimes get sucked into these old patterns where we're being baited into arguments, feeling like we need to defend ourselves, defend our children, and it just sucks us into a black hole of communication with our co-parent, aka counterparent. You don't want to make yourself look like the high conflict parent. To be clear, you don't want to be the high conflict parent. I know, right? We're the victims, we're the survivors, but we can still add to the conflict by engaging in a lot of this nonsense. So how do you know what to respond to, what to just ignore, how to respond in a way that is not high conflict? Gray rock, yellow rock, throw those rocks out the window. Some list of canned responses, antagonistic canned responses, throw that out the window with the rocks. Can you imagine if you actually knew how to communicate and you didn't need to work off some list? What if you could learn what actually does separate the people with successful outcomes from the people with unsuccessful outcomes? You can learn how to let go of your ego, how to reframe and refocus all of your co-parenting communication. I am telling you, and truly, no one will ever convince me otherwise, you have more power than you realize. That mindset shift, that letting go of your ego, it is the hardest part. And the truth is, I'm telling you, most people don't want to let that go. But listen, at the end of the day, you do you. I'm just going to be over here with the people who have had successful outcomes. Thanks.